Hello, my name is Andy and welcome to my garage. Today we're going to work on the 2010 BMW 328xi sedan, and the problem is the airbag fault code 93AA, which is the passenger belt tensioner, this one. So I'm going to show you how to replace that one, and we don't even need to take the seat out of the car. So let's get going. First thing we need to do is to move the seat way to the front and remove the torque screw, the T50 torque screws off the base. Okay, after taking the two torque screw in the back, we move the seat to the back and then remove the two bolts in the front. So now we want to remove this cable by pulling the black tab here. So it's all the way to the front, and then you can take this cable off. You can twist this white connector and yank it out of the socket. Now that the cable below the seat has been removed, all we need to do is to tilt the seat to the right, and then it's going to expose the tensioner belt on the other side. So I suggest we move the driver's seat way to the front, and we're going to work from the back. Okay, now the driver's front seat is being moved all the way forward, so we have room to move to work with, and we just rotate the passenger seat to the right, and that exposes this unit to remove. What we need to do is to take the cables off this and take this off and replace with a new unit, and that's it. Okay, looking from the front, what we want to do is to take the middle cable which belongs to that seat belt, but we have to take this unit off first. After removing the first connector here out of the yellow box, we remove the second cable in the middle that belongs to the seat belt, and now we can take the seat belt off by just yanking it out. Okay, after putting the new seat belt tensioner in, we torque this screw, the T50 screw, 38 Newton meter or 28 foot-pound. Okay, so now the cable for the seat belt tensioner has been put in place in the middle, and the one outside has been pushed back in. The next thing I recommend to do is to disconnect the negative battery and then connect this. Once it's connected, we can reconnect the negative battery cable, so that just in case when we connect that, there's no spark going on.